Today I'll show you how to buy SpaceX stock from Singapore. SpaceX went public on June 12, 2026 and now trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol SPCX. To buy it, we'll use Moomoo, a low-fee online broker that gives investors in Singapore access to US stocks like SpaceX. Click the link in the description below to follow along. I'll walk you through the sign-up and order process step by step. New users who fund their Moomoo account can get up to $1,000 worth of free NVIDIA stock. Once you click the link, it will take you to this page. Click the Open Account button and enter your email address or mobile number to get started. Create a secure password, verify your contact details using the code sent to you, and then complete the application by entering your personal information, including your legal name, address, date of birth, and tax details. Next, upload a valid government-issued photo ID and complete the identity verification process. Review the account agreements, submit your application, and wait for approval. Once submitted, your account status will show as under review while Moomoo verifies your information. Once your account is approved, you can deposit funds through the Moomoo app or website using your preferred payment method. On the Moomoo app, tap Accounts and select Deposit. Choose Bank Transfer, link your bank account if necessary, enter the amount you want to deposit, and confirm the transfer. For investors in Singapore, deposits are typically made in Singapore dollars, SGD. Once funded, your money can be converted into US dollars so you can purchase SpaceX shares. After funding your account, search for SPCX and select SpaceX on the Nasdaq. Click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and choose your order type. A market order buys shares immediately at the current market price. A limit order only buys shares if the stock reaches a price you choose. For most beginners, a market order is the simplest option. Review your order details and click Submit. If US markets are open, your order will usually be filled within seconds. If the market is closed, your order will be queued and executed when trading resumes. For reference, the US stock market typically opens at 9:30 p.m. and closes at 4 a.m. the next day in Singapore time, SGT. During US daylight saving time, the market typically opens at 9:30 p.m. SGT and closes at 4 a.m. SGT. Now let's quickly cover a few things investors in Singapore should know. First, you do not need to be a US citizen to buy SpaceX stock. As long as your broker provides access to US markets, residents of Singapore can generally purchase US-listed stocks. Second, when investing from Singapore, you should be aware of local tax rules. Singapore does not generally impose capital gains tax on profits from investing in shares. However, US dividends may be subject to US withholding tax, and investors should consider seeking professional tax advice regarding their specific circumstances. Finally, remember that SpaceX is still considered a high-risk stock. The company trades at a premium valuation and remains focused on future growth, so only invest money you can afford to leave invested for the long term. So that's it. Buying SpaceX stock from Singapore is as simple as opening a brokerage account, funding it in Singapore dollars, SGD, searching for SPCX, and placing your order. If you'd like to follow along and claim any available sign-up bonuses, check out the Moomoo link in the description below.